If your Ford Ranger is displaying AdBlue faults or a countdown to a no-start condition, don't panic yet. Nearly half of all reported AdBlue issues in late-model Rangers stem from faulty NOx or tank-level sensors. Before you head to the dealership, let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify the culprit. Start with the basics by checking your fluid quality and scanning the computer for specific P-series fault codes. Crystallization is the silent killer of AdBlue systems, especially if you mainly drive short distances in the city. Faulty sensors often send the truck into limp mode, even when the actual mechanical system is working fine. While you can clean the injector at home, electronic coding and software updates will require a visit to the shop. Repair costs vary wildly, ranging from a simple $50 cleaning to over $2,000 for a full tank replacement. To prevent future issues, use a high-quality anti-crystallization additive and give the truck a long highway run monthly. If you plan on doing your own maintenance, a Fusken adapter is the single most important tool for your Ranger. Remember, once that start-prohibited countdown hits 0, the truck will not restart without a professional reset. Diagnose early, use additives, and keep that AdBlue system clean to stay on the road. Drive safe.